Please inform me that audio video everything is okay. So we are going to start the session. Please inform your all the friends. We are going to start our today's session. Hello everyone. Yes, Hemant Kapoor, Pranam beta. Can you start? Okay, so our today's topic is maxillary artery and its branches. Let's start. Please inform your all the friends. We are going to start. We are going to talk about this our very important topic of the first MBBS. Yes, it is the one important Viva question. Also, you can say this is the important question for our ENT, important topic related to the our different subjects, because we are going to learn about the artery of the epistaxis. We are going to learn about the artery of the pterygoid canal. Yes, we are going to learn about the blood supply of the pharynx. These all are very, very important arteries. Yes, hello Shivam, hello Himani. Hope everything is okay. So, we are going to start this beautiful session at this amazing platform. Myself, Dr. Shrikant Verma, we are going to learn about our maxillary artery. Okay. First, my question. Can you tell me? Can you tell me, beta? Yes, Ram Ram Shivam. Can you tell me, beta? This maxillary artery is a branch of which artery? First question. Try to understand with this our beautiful three-dimensional anatomy. Lal full, Neela full, anatomy beautiful. Yes, look here. With the help of the Iron Man anatomy, with the help of the three-dimensional anatomy, can you see? Sir, this is our skull. Jarvis, show us common carotid artery. So Jarvis is showing us the common carotid artery. This common carotid artery is divided into the, yes, can you see? Sir, this is our internal carotid artery. This artery is entering within the skull through the carotid canal. That's why it is going inside. That's why it is known as the internal carotid artery. Agree, everybody? Now, in the similar way, can you see this artery? Sir, this artery is running outside. This artery is running outside. So this is known as external carotid artery. This artery is known as the external carotid artery. Getting the point? Now this external carotid artery is having the 8 branches. Yes, what are the different 8 branches? We had talked earlier about this external carotid artery 8 branches. Yes, can you see? One mnemonic. Then I'm going to draw the beautiful diagram for all of you. Sir, this is our external carotid artery, which is giving the first medial branch, that is the ascending pharyngeal artery. MCQ, this is supplying the pharynx. अरे नाम इसका कह रहा है pharyngeal artery. ये ascend करता है medial side में और pharynx को supply करता है. 3 MCQ. Yes, 3 viva question. First branch of the external carotid artery, ascending pharyngeal. Only medial branch of the external carotid artery, ascending pharyngeal artery. Remember, this ascending pharyngeal is the smallest branch of the external carotid artery. Okay, sir. Now, the 3 entry branch, you can remember in this way. Yes, this is going towards the thyroid. So, this is the superior thyroid artery. Then next is going towards the tongue. So, you can say, sir, lingual artery. Next is going towards the face. So, you can say, sir, facial artery. So, 3 entry branches you can remember in this way. Now, this artery is going above and it is dividing into 2. So, put your hand in this way. 2 terminal branches. One is running over the maxilla, maxillary artery, which is our topic, maxillary artery. Sir, this is the artery running over the maxilla, maxillary artery, and this artery is running over the temporal area. So, this is our superficial temporal artery. Now, put the 2 finger behind the ear. So, these are your posterior auricular, and another is running over the occipital bone. So, that is your occipital artery. Agree, everybody? Getting the point? So, in a very beautiful way. Yes, Abhishek Kumar, I am fine, beta. How are you? Look here, we are going to learn about these arteries in a simple way. Yes, sir. First, I am going to tell you the maxillary artery. It is a branch of which artery? Sir, it is a branch of our, yes, you can say the external carotid artery. So, for this point, I am going to draw one diagrammatic presentation. Diagram is anatomy and anatomy is diagram. So, learn how to present in your question paper as well as how to build the concept for the INICET NEET PG exam. Look here. Suppose this is the forehead. Yes, sir. And this is the nose. Correct, sir. This is the upper lip. This is the lower lip. And this is the chin. So you have to do practice to draw the face because head neck face area first necessity to draw the face. तो कैसे हमने ड्रॉ किया आप लोगों के लिए एक तरीका एलिवेशन डिप्रेशन एलिवेशन डिप्रेशन देन अगेन एलिवेशन डिप्रेशन एलिवेशन डिप्रेशन एलिवेशन एंड डिप्रेशन सो इन दिस वे यू कैन ड्रॉ द फेस यस एनाटॉमी के साथ ड्राइंग की क्लास फ्री में now look this is the our yes chin area lower margin of mandible this is the our neck area and here is our occipital area this is the our neck portion I am going to draw the cranial vault okay sir fine and for the beauty of the image you can draw the eyebrow and eye fine yes this is our margin of mandible and here is the angle of mandible this is our ear agree beta getting the point yes yes thank you Abhishek thank you for your lovely words I pass in first attempt very nice ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा बहुत बढ़िया now look here sir this is our artery which artery beta sir this is the common carotid artery okay just give me few seconds for the proper proportion yes this is better okay sir now this artery is dividing into the external and internal internal carotid artery we will talk in our head neck face no in our neuroanatomy part what I want to tell you sir this is our labeling बेटा हम सभी जो हैं वो पेंटर नहीं होते हम सभी डॉक्टर हैं तो ऐसे एक्सपेक्ट मत करो कि बहुत बढ़िया सा पेंटिंग करोगे बहुत बढ़िया फेस बनाओगे हाँ लेकिन हम सभी डॉक्टर हैं नॉलेज हम सही करेंगे लेबलिंग हम सही करेंगे जो कि एक पेंटर नहीं कर सकता गेटिंग द पॉइंट सो दिस द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पेंटर एंड द डॉक्टर यू हैव टू give the proper knowledge proper labeling sir this is our common carotid artery you can do yes this is our you can say the our inside artery sir that is the internal carotid artery correct sir and this one is presenting our external carotid artery labeling आराम से प्यारे तरीके से fine now try to check try to understand the first branch is ascending upside and going to supply the pharynx MCQ 3 MCQs are there so what I want to tell you sir this is our yes ascending correct sir pharyngeal artery in short we will say apa yes in Urdu language we say the elder sister apa yes I am magician also so because I am very small comparatively small so now I am going to show you the Hulk magic yes see here the magic abracadabra gili gili shoo so I am now at the perfect proportion so that you can see my facial expression also are you getting this is the important in between we will do the magic also na so get ready for this all the things yes sir so this is our ascending pharyngeal artery apa okay पूरा खानदान आएगा उर्दू में हम एल्डर सिस्टर को आपा कहते हैं रिमेंबर आपा आ चुकी है फिर पापा मींस पा यस पोस्टीरियर ऑरिकुलर आर्टरी भी आएंगे फिर मम्मा मतलब मिडिल मेनिंजियल आर्टरी भी आएगी फिर अम्मा मतलब एसेसरी मेनिंजियल आर्टरी भी आएगी फूफा हमारे अपर लिम्ब में आ चुके हैं ओके बुआ एक फनी स्टोरी में आ चुकी है तो पूरा खानदान हमारे एनाटॉमी में आता है लाल फूल नीला फूल एनाटॉमी ब्यूटीफुल सर दिस द असेंडिंग फेरिंजियल आर्टरी व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट एमसीक्यूज वाइवा क्वेश्चन व्हिच यू हैव टू रिमेंबर फर्स्ट yes sir try to understand this is only medial branch of external carotid artery first you can say MCQ as well as you can say the viva question next remember this ascending pharyngeal artery is the smallest branch of external carotid artery. Gray's Anatomy 42nd edition update. In 41st edition, they were saying, sir, superior thyroid artery is the first branch, but no. 42nd edition and Cunningham Anatomy textbook, they are clear cut writing. Even the ENT books, they are writing the first branch is ascending pharyngeal artery. So remember, the first branch of external carotid artery is ascending pharyngeal artery. So no excuse with these your 3 MCQs as well as the viva question. एग्री बेटा? फाइन, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? अगर समझ में आ रहा है तो इमोजीज उड़ाते चलो, यस, दिल उड़ाते चलो, दिल। और कई इमोजीज इमोजीज आपके पास हैं, यस, सेलिब्रेशन के हैं, क्लैपिंग के हैं, देते चलो बेटा। समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? फाइन, ओके सर। नाउ लुक हियर सर, this is our external carotid artery. External carotid artery is having the 3 entry branches. So what are the different 3 entry branches? Sir, one branch is going towards the thyroid gland. This is the superior thyroid artery, sir. It is our superior thyroid artery. Then the next branch is going towards the tongue, so that is our lingual artery. And the next branch is the zigzag artery, facial artery, running towards the margin of mandible, winding inside, then again coming along the surface and running 1.2 centimeter lateral to the angle of the mouth. How much centimeter? 1.2 centimeter. And then it is running towards the nose, and then it is ending at the medial angle of the eye. So what are these? Our 3 anterior branches. Try to understand, sir. These are our 3 anterior branches. Okay, so what are the 3 anterior branches? Sir, this is superior thyroid artery, 1 MCQ. Okay, then next branch is going towards the our tongue, so you will say, sir, lingual artery, MCQ. Remember, the tongue is important topic. One question sure in your exam from the our tongue, and the song dedicated to the tongue. Remember, Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, all comes from the anatomy. The song dedicated to the tongue, that is the तूने मारी एंट्रियां तो दिल में बजी घंटियां रे टंग 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 टंग. Yes, this song is dedicated to tongue. What I want to tell you, concentrate over this topic. The tongue is important. An artery of the tongue, one line, lingual artery. This is the anterior branch of the external carotid artery. Getting the point? Okay, sir. Now you can see the zigzag artery, sir. This zigzag artery is our what, sir? This is facial artery. Okay, so these are the our 3 anterior branches of what? External carotid artery. Agree beta? Yes, fine. Now look, your INICT question. This facial artery is also known as the anesthetist artery. Why? Because anesthesia doctors, they are palpating this artery and they are taking the idea about the heart rate, blood pressure, these all the things. Agree beta? So this facial artery is also the anesthetist artery. So in your INICT exam, the question had been asked the branches of the facial artery. So can you tell me what are the branches of the facial artery? Let's start the branches of the facial artery. I am showing little bit darker color. तो बेटा जब कोई आर्टरी जाती है, आसपास में जो चीजें आती है उसको सप्लाई करते चली जाती है. बोलो वाह वाह, क्या बढ़िया सी लाइन बनी. जब कोई आर्टरी जाती है, आसपास में जो जो एरिया आती है उसको सप्लाई करती चली जाती है. सो इट इज गिविंग द फर्स्ट ब्रांच टू द लोअर लिप. पहले कौन आया? ऐसा फेस में जा रहा है, लोअर लिप. सो इट इज गिविंग द ब्रांच टू द लोअर लिप, inferior labial artery. Then it is giving the branch to the upper lip. Yes, ऊपर वाला होठ आया, superior labial artery. Now this artery is ascending upside. Yes, here is the nose, so it is giving the branch that is the lateral nasal artery, and then it is ending at the angle of the eye. Sir, it is the angular artery. Okay, so simple, so elegant, so beautiful. Anatomy is just looking like a wow. Okay, try to catch what are the different branches of our, yes, facial artery. Yes, Binny Wittig, good evening beta. What you have to remember, sir, the branches of the facial artery, first is our inferior labial artery. Yes sir, This is inferior labial artery. Okay, then can you see the next branch? That is our, yes, superior labial artery. Yes sir, it is our superior labial artery. And then the third branch you can see, that is our lateral nasal artery, also you can say lateral nasal branch. Yes sir. And then you can observe, sir, it is our, yes, angular artery. Fine. Okay, now try to understand, these are your branches. INICT question, so I'm making one box for this, branches of the facial artery. Yes sir, beautiful anatomy. Okay, also you will observe the many unnamed branch which are posteriorly. Yes, it will supply the muscles of the face. So main artery of the face, that is the facial artery. Yes sir. So we are including one more, the fifth one. Sir, these are unnamed muscular branches. Okay sir, few more additional point I want to tell you for the INICT exam. What? Sir, this is our angular artery. It anastomoses with the our, yes, supratrochlear artery. Supratrochlear artery is a branch from the internal carotid, and this is the branch from the external carotid. So remember the medial angle of the eye. It is the site where internal carotid artery and external carotid artery anastomose together. This is a beautiful concept. Now, there are the only few sites where internal and external carotid artery anastomose together, among which this medial angle of the eye is there. Okay, it is one of the site. Fine. So now this is the your box. Agree beta? You can draw with me. You can learn how to draw, how to present, how to build the concept in the anatomy with me. Okay, fine sir. So now we are going ahead. Remember few more MCQs. Sir, this facial artery, is our, yes, main artery of face. Sir, this facial artery is palpable artery along the lower border of the mandible, just in front of the masseter. Also one more question, remember, this is the zigzag artery. This is the example of the tortuous artery. So can you comment what are the different arteries in our body which are tortuous? So this is the viva question. Okay, MCQ, MCQ. Fine. So these are the points regarding the our facial artery. Okay, so these are the three entry branches. Now look, sir, this external carotid artery, sir, this external carotid artery, it is running upside. Yes sir, it is running upside, and now it is dividing into the two terminal branches, one superficial temporal artery and another over the maxilla. Sir, it is the maxillary artery. So what you have to remember, sir, two terminal branches. So we are going to look about the our two terminal branches. Two terminal branches of external carotid artery. And yes, it is our today's main topic. We are going to learn about our maxillary artery. Two terminal branches. Sir, this is our first superficial temporal artery, and this is your, yes, next branch, that is the maxillary artery. So we are going to learn this maxillary artery in detail. It's all the branches in our today's class. But before this concept is very important, that maxillary artery is the branch of, it is the terminal branch of our external carotid artery. Also, your integration with the patho medicine conceptual brainstorming integration that this superficial artery is involved in case of the our vasculitis, the autoimmune disease, the pathology, the Robbins, the Harrison integration. Yes, you will see in your final year and the second MBBS, it is getting inflamed and it is resulting into the our temporal arteritis. What is the name of that disease? Yes, temporal arteritis. Yes, this is also, you will see, it is also known as the giant cell arteritis. So any old patient will come to you and he will complain, Doctor Sahab, I am having the pain along this temporal area. And when you are taking the vessel biopsy, you are observing there is the inflammatory signs. There is the our, yes, granulomatous inflammation. You will see in your clinical, this is the topic of the medicine, but you will say, sir, we had learned already in our basic subject, the beautiful subject, anatomy. Agree, beta? So this is our temporal arteritis situation due to the involvement of the superficial temporal artery. Also, the first MBBS students, you must know there is a one artery which is supplying the face transversely. Sir, it is our transverse facial artery. What is the name? Sir, this is our transverse facial artery. So this is the one very, very good question for the you all INICT NEET PG student, as well as the first MBBS Viva question, that this transverse facial artery is a branch from which artery, sir? It is a branch from our superficial temporal artery. Agree, beta? Hope you all are getting the point. Fine. Okay, sir. Now look, what are our posterior branches? Sir, now we are going to learn about the our, yes, posterior branches. We are going to look for the our posterior branches of external carotid artery. So what are the posterior branches? Sir, these are two in number. First is running behind the our ear. Yes, sir. What should be the name? Posterior auricular. And another is running with the zigzag course over the occipital area. So this is our occipital artery. So this is the beautiful diagrammatic presentation. Remember the posterior branches, sir. This is our posterior auricular artery. In short, you can say PA. I told you, APA आ चुकी है, elder sister आ चुकी है, ascending pharyngeal artery. This is the PAPA. You can say PA. Posterior auricular artery. It is behind the ear. It is the posterior branch of the external carotid artery. फिर उसके बाद अम्मा आएगी, एसेसरी मेनिंजियल आर्टरी, फिर मम्मा आएगी, मिडिल मेनिंजियल आर्टरी. पूरा खानदान आता है हमारे एनाटॉमी में. सो डोंट फॉरगेट दिस वन. नाउ look, this is your another artery. Which artery, sir? This is our, yes, occipital artery. So these are our two posterior branches. Getting the point? So this is your diagrammatic presentation. Also, I'm going to write down one quick revision. Yes, look here, we are looking the our 8 branches. Yes, sir, we are going to look for the 8 branches of the external carotid artery. 8 branches of external carotid artery. What are the 8 branches of the external carotid artery? Sir, you can easily present with this flow chart. Okay, sir. Fine. Look here, sir, we are going to look for the 3 anterior branches. Okay, but before that, only one medial branch. The first branch, only one medial branch. So I am writing the one medial branch, then 3 anterior branch, then 2 posterior branch, and then 2 terminal branches. Can you do this one? Fine. So what are these our? Yes, the only one medial branch. Can you tell me? That is our, yes, ascending pharyngeal artery. What are the our 3 different anterior branches? So you can say Sir, the three entry branches, first was superior thyroid artery, second was, yes, lingual artery, and third was our zigzag artery, the facial artery. Agree beta? Three entry branches. What are the our different two posterior branches? Sir, the first is our posterior auricular artery, and second was, yes, occipital artery. Now we are going to talk about our two terminal branches. So what are the two terminal branches? Sir, first is superficial temporal artery, and then second was our, yes, maxillary artery. Okay, so you can remember easily with this diagrammatic presentation. Agree everyone? तो बेटा एक बहुत प्यारा सा सुंदर सा नोट्स है आप लोगों के लिए. Any doubt till now? Any doubt till now? This is a very important topic. Okay, yes, लाल फूल नीला फूल, anatomy beautiful. Fine. So this is the very important table for all of you. Done? Okay. Yes. So now we are going to look for the our more detail, making one box for this our शॉर्ट नोट. बेटा एग्जाम टाइम में ना ये छोटी छोटी चीजें जो रहती है वो फिर आपको मदद करती है. फाइन. ओके. yes, so this is the presentation. Fine. So our now next detailed topic we are going to look for this our maxillary artery. चलो बेटा तो maxillary artery को शुरू करते हैं ना. Fine. It is having the 15 branches, or few books are saying the 16 branches. So how to remember? Try to understand. Sir, look here, this beautiful image. But before that, the our three-dimensional anatomy. Can you see? Sir, this is our artery running towards the thyroid gland. So you can say this is a superior thyroid artery. Now can you see this artery is running towards the our tongue. So this is the lingual artery. It is going towards the tongue, lingual artery. And you can observe this beautiful artery, the zigzag artery, which is running at the face, facial artery. It is giving the inferior labial, superior labial, lateral nasal, so on. There was the question, all are the branches of the facial artery except, yes, remember this is the mental foramen, and from the mental foramen the artery is coming out. Sir, this is our what? Mental artery. Sir, it is the mental artery. It is not the branch from the facial artery. INICET 2020-22 question. If your basics are strong, if your first MBBS is strong, then you can crack any kind of the exam pattern. You can crack the INICET, you can crack the NEET PG, you can crack the USMLE PLAB, anything. Remember beta, yes, लप्पू से एग्जाम है, झिंगूर जैसे क्वेश्चन है, ऐसे ही क्रैक कर देंगे. सब चीजें हमारे फर्स्ट एमबीबीएस से ही तो आती हैं यार. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लुक फॉर द नेक्स्ट. Yes, beta, these are the technical points. You can ask to our technical team. I think this notes will be available in the our cerebellum app. Okay, it will be available in the app, beta. Fine. Okay, yes, Dr. Prabhat. Now look here, sir, try to understand further. Sir, this is the our artery. Okay, external carotid artery, and it is dividing further. Okay, here can you see this artery? Sir, this is the artery which is running over the maxilla. This is the maxillary artery. To watch properly, I am reviewing the mandible. So you can see this is the artery. Yes, this is superficial temporal artery. It is running over the temporal area. Okay, yes, now you can see this one. Also you can make, you can connect at my Telegram channel, Dr. Shrikant Verma classes. Okay, where such kind of many similar kind of the PDF as well as the images you can find. Na beta, don't worry for it. Now look here. Yes, this is our what? Artery. Which artery beta? Maxillary artery. It is related with the mandible. So mandibular part. Getting the point? And then you will see there is our lateral pterygoid muscle. Yes, in our muscle of mastication, in previous video I told you the our, yes, muscle of mastication, pterygoid muscle. Fine. So this is having the second part, that is a pterygoid part. Fine. And the third part, can you see? This is going towards our fossa. Catch this one, sir. This is our skull. We are rotating. Lal fool, Neela fool, anatomy beautiful. Can you see? Sir, this is our pterygoid plate. In previous class, I told you this is the lateral pterygoid plate, and on the medial side, medial pterygoid plate. So this is a pterygoid plate, and here is our palate. So you will see there is a one fossa. At this red color area, there will be the one fossa, one space. This is known as the pterygopalatine fossa. एंड द डोर ऑफ दिस टेरिगोपैलेटाइन फोसा, आप एक कमरे में बंद हो, आप एक कमरे में बंद हो, ओके, तो इस कमरे का जो दरवाजा है उसे हम कहते हैं फिशर, और ये जो कमरा है इसको हम कहते हैं फोसा, और इस कमरे में एक बड़ा सा नर्व का मांस लटक रहा है, और इसे इस मांस को हम कहते हैं गैंग्लियन। इन द सिमिलर वे, यस, ये क्या है टेरिगो, ये क्या है पैलेट। सो टेरिगोपैलेटाइन फिशर, दरवाजे को हम कहेंगे फिशर, गैप को हम कहेंगे फिशर, इसके अंदर जो कैविटी रहेगी जो दिख नहीं रही है उसको हम कहेंगे फोसा, और उसके अंदर एक नर्व का मांस लटकेगा उसको हम बोलेंगे टेरिगोपैलेटाइन, यस, गैंग्लियन, नर्व का एक मांस रहेगा। ओके, नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, सर ये जो ब्लू कलर का जो बोन दिख रहा है, दिस ब्लू कलर बोन, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द sphenoid bone and this is the palatine bone. So remember, same opening, same door को आप क्या बोल सकते हो, स्फिनो पैलेटाइन फिशर। सेम टेरिगोपैलेटाइन फिशर को हम स्फिनो पैलेटाइन फिशर कहते हैं, सेम टेरिगोपैलेटाइन फोसा को हम स्फिनो पैलेटाइन फोसा कहते हैं, और सेम टेरिगोपैलेटाइन गैंग्लियन को हम स्फिनो पैलेटाइन गैंग्लियन कहते हैं। लाल फूल नीला फूल, anatomy beautiful. One very important question for your INICET exam, the pterygopalatine ganglion. Hope you all are getting the point. Yes, Dr. Prabhat, hope you are understanding now. So what I want to tell you, sir, this artery, maxillary artery is running, yes, first over the mandible, that is the first part of the maxillary artery known as the mandibular part. Then second part is running over the our pterygoid muscle, so it is known as the second part, pterygoid part, and then it is entering within the our pterygopalatine fossa, so that is known as the pterygopalatine part. Hope you all are getting the point. Fine. So what I want to tell you, the first concept, sir, this our, yes, maxillary artery, it is having the three parts, sir. The maxillary artery, yes, Dr. Prabhat, thanks for your response. Maxillary artery, it is having the three parts. What are these three parts? So remember, in this way, yes, sir, first part, sir, second part, sir, third part. Okay, first part is running over the mandible, so it is also known as the mandibular part. Agree beta? Sir, second part is running over the pterygoid muscle, so this is known as the pterygoid part. Agree beta? And the third part, sir, third part is running within the pterygopalatine fossa, so this is known as pterygopalatine part. So is it easy? इतना कम से कम याद होता है? So this is the first concept. Okay, so now we are going to look what are the different branches. So before that, one three-dimensional orientation for all of you. Can you see this beautiful image, sir? Here we can observe the mandible which has been cut. You are cutting the mandible to see the branches now. Can you see this artery, sir? This is our external carotid artery. Fine. And this artery is giving the different branches. Can you see this artery which is running over the face? Definitely this is the our facial artery. This muscle over the ramus of mandible, yes, we already learned that is our masseter, the strongest muscle of the body. Okay, can you see this is our pterygoid fovea part? So this muscle is cut at between part, so this is nothing, this is our lateral pterygoid muscle. So this green color artery is passing from here and it is going towards the our Yes, palatine part, and inside there is a pterygoid plate. So this is nothing, this is your, yes, pterygopalatine fissure part. Okay, so this maxillary artery is having the three parts. Sir, this is our, yes, first part, mandibular part. Then it is running over the pterygoid muscle. So you can say, sir, that will be our pterygoid part. And this last part where it will enter within the our pterygopalatine part, that is known as the, yes, pterygopalatine part. एग्री बेटा, समझ में आया? फाइन, वेरी गुड डॉक्टर प्रभात, यू आर राइट, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट. Okay, so can we move ahead? Remember, in between there are the too many kind of the motivation also, fun also. So remember the big lines from our great motivator from the Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, the Kishore Kumar Sahab, the Rajesh Khanna Sahab. They told, remember, चांद तारों से बढ़ना है आगे, आसमानों से चलना है आगे, पीछे रह जाएगा ये जमाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. तो बेटा जो भी चीज है वो आज का दिन है, रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ते जाओ, रोज बढ़िया कॉन्सेप्ट बनाते जाओ, फ्लो चार्ट बनाते जाओ, डायग्राम देखते जाओ, कॉन्सेप्ट बनाते जाओ. यस, और ये चीजें आपके एग्जाम टाइम में बहुत इजीली हेल्प करेंगी. यू कैन रिवाइज इजिली दिस ऑल द थिंग्स. और इस तरीके से आपका जो जिंदगी का सफर है, आपका जो फर्स्ट एमबीबीएस, INICET, नीट पीजी का जो सफर है, वो बहुत ही सुहाना हो जाएगा. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लुक फॉर दिस ब्रांचेस. yes, thank you everybody, thank you for your different expressions. Now look, I'm going to show you the image, then I will draw the diagram also. Try to understand. Sir, this is our mandible. Everyone getting the point? Yes sir, this is our mandible. Okay, now can you observe, sir, this is the our artery. Which artery? External carotid artery, which is dividing into the our maxillary artery and the superficial temporal artery. Fine. Now look, this maxillary artery, sir, it is giving the branches. Yes, this is the maxillary artery. So it is the first part. The black color part is representing the first part. What are the different branches? The first part, the first branch, it will go to the auricle. Second branch, it will also go to the auricle. तो दो branches निकलती हैं फर्स्ट पार्ट से और वो कान की तरफ जाती है. Yes, one artery is deeply located, so you will say deep. It is going to the auricle, so it is known as the auricular artery. Simple, deep auricular artery. Yes, you can say this is the da. Yes, this is the da. Okay, yes. Now can you observe the next artery is going towards our tympanic membrane. ENT integration, the blood supply of the tympanic membrane. You can remember the tympanic artery, it is supplying from the anterior aspect. So anterior tympanic artery. Yes, it is our anterior tympanic artery. Getting the point? Okay, sir. Now look, the next branch is going towards the our brain cranial cavity, and it is passing through the foramen spinosum. Do you remember the structure passing through the foramen spinosum? MEN. MEN. M for middle meningeal artery. Yes. E for emissary vein, which may pass, which may not pass through this foramen. And N for nervous spinosum. These are the important structures passing through the foramen spinosum. तो बेटा याद रखना, मिडिल मेनिंजियल आर्टरी बाहर से निकलती है, फोरामेन स्पाइनोजम से गुजरती है और फिर अंदर मेनिंजस को सप्लाई करती है. कहां से? मिडिल पार्ट से. सर, दिस द वर्ड. Yes, middle meningeal artery. And can you see this is the another artery? Yes, sir. This is the accessory meningeal artery. You can say amma. And here is the mamma. लो भाई, आपा आ गई, पापा आ गए, दादा आ गए, मम्मा आ गई, अम्मा आ गई, पूरा खानदान एनाटॉमी में आता है. यस, सो दिस द ब्यूटीफुल एनाटॉमी. सो रिमेंबर दिस accessory meningeal artery is passing through the foramen. Which foramen? Sir, foramen ovale. Okay, and can you see this artery is running towards the mandible? It is passing through the mandibular foramen, and then it is passing through the mandibular canal, and then it is coming out through the our mental foramen and making the mental artery. So your INICT question had been asked, beta agar aapka first MBBS strong hoga, in that situation you can crack each and every exam pattern. Remember, the mental artery, it is not the branch of facial artery, it is the branch of inferior alveolar. It is a continuation of inferior alveolar, which is the branch from the first part of the our what, sir, the maxillary artery. Getting the point, everybody? Fine, maja aa raha hai na? Yes sir, this is our inferior alveolar artery. Okay, yes, so these are the our branches. You can see, you can revise with this table. Fine, can you observe, sir, first part it is giving the branches, deep auricular artery. Break the name and think about it. नाम को तोड़ो और सोचो. मैंने पहले कहा है, मिर्जा गालिब कहते हैं सारे राज नाम में दफन रहते हैं. यस, देन एंटीरियर टिम्पेनिक आर्टरी, then mamma middle meningeal artery, and then amma accessory meningeal artery, and then inferior alveolar artery. At the end I will create one mnemonic also for all of you. Okay, so this is the first part, branches. Now see the second part. Sir, second part is giving the branch to the muscles of mastication. Okay, so what are the muscles of the mastication? Sir, temporal muscle. So the second part is giving the branch to the temporal muscle. So it is the temporal artery. Actually there is not one temporal artery, there are the two temporal artery. These are deeply located. So what you will say? Deep temporal artery. Do you remember another muscle of mastication? Sir, masseter. So you can say masseteric artery. Then you know the medial pterygoid, lateral pterygoid. So these are supplied by the pterygoid arteries. So you can say the pterygoid branches. So simple. Muscles of mastication only you have to remember. Okay, and buccinator muscle, the whistling muscle, buccinator. Sir, this buccinator is not the muscle of mastication, but it is helping, it is supporting in the mastication. Okay, so you can remember. Okay, buccinator. So this is our buccal artery. Getting the point, everybody? Okay, so these are the branches from the second part. How you can remember? Sir, these are supplying to the muscle of mastication. So temporal, temporalis, masseteric, masseter, medial pterygoid, lateral pterygoid, pterygoid branches, and one more, buccinator. You can remember. Yes, the whistling muscle. Do you remember again? The Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, all are coming from our anatomy. Yes, sir. Any song which is dedicated towards the buccinator muscle and our ऑर्बिकुलरिस ऑक्यूली. सो दिस इज द वन वेरी फनी वे टू रिमेंबर. जब मैं फर्स्ट एमबीबीएस के बच्चों की कॉलेज में क्लास लेता हूँ, बहुत मजा आता है. मॉल होता है, ऐसा ही मॉल यहाँ पर बनाओ, करते चलेंगे. सो दिस द योर ऑर्बिकुलरिस ऑक्यूली. When this muscle will contract, yes, at that situation there is a winking activity. When the buccinator muscle is contracted, there is a, yes, whistling activity. So just make whistling. So when you are doing, there is the contraction of the muscle, that is the buccinator. And the song dedicated over this muscle, yes, remember, आँख मारे वो लड़की आँख मारे सीटी बजाए. So yes, this song is dedicated over the our buccinator and orbicularis oculi. Hope you are enjoying the session, getting the point. Don't forget these muscles. Okay, sir. Now the third part. What are the different branches from the third part? Yes, look here, sir. The second part, it is giving the branches. What are the branches? I am going to show you with the blue color highlight. Sir, these are giving the branch to the temporal muscle. So deep temporal arteries. Yes, it is giving the branch to the our masseter muscle. So masseteric artery. Sir, it is giving the branch to the pterygoid muscle. So pterygoid artery. And one is our buccal part. So buccal artery. But last, yes, it is entering within our pterygopalatine fissure. Again, one beautiful concept, beta. Try to understand. You will listen always the foramen. You will listen always the term fissure. You will listen always the term oval. What is the difference between the foramen, fissure and oval? पढ़ते सब है, लेकिन कॉन्सेप्ट बेटा, कॉन्सेप्ट हमको समझना है. Try to catch this point. Foramen, yes, if any bony opening is just circular with the margin, so this is the foramen. But if any bony opening is elongated, yes, so this is the fissure. And if there is any bony opening which is having the long tunnel, so this is known as, yes, canal. Sorry, it is not the oval, this is the canal. Getting the point, everybody? Okay, so now the fourth part. What are the different branches from the fourth part? Yes, look here, sir. These are giving the branches. What are the branches? I am going to show you with the blue color highlight. Sir, these are giving the branch to the our masseter muscle. So masseteric artery. Yes, it is not the oval, this is the canal. Sorry, it is not the oval, this is the canal. So you will say, sir, this is the our canal. Okay, yes, it is our what? It is our canal. Fine. So these are the points which you have to remember. Yes, the examples like the foramen oval. So it is the oval shaped foramen. Yes, there is our superior orbital fissure. It is long opening and there is the optic canal. तो बेटा ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है जो अक्सर हम पढ़ते हैं लेकिन हमको बताया नहीं जाता. We are just mugging up. So if your basic concept will be strong, you can do everything. Again, look here, this beautiful three-dimensional orientation. Sir, there is the our foramen. Like this is the infraorbital foramen. This is the orbit and this is the foramen. Just below the orbit, this is the infraorbital foramen. Okay, sir. Can you see? This is our elongated bony opening which is above the orbit. So this is the superior orbital fissure. Don't say superior orbital foramen. This is the fissure. Yes, in the similar way, sir, this is the infra orbital fissure. Elongated opening means fissure. And can you see this one? इसका क्या नाम होगा? Who will tell me, बेटा? ये देखो, sir, it is the our foramen. But can you see this is the long bony tunnel? So it is not the fissure, it is not the foramen, sir, it is the canal. Sir, it is our optic canal which passes the optic nerve. Agree everybody? So this is the our beautiful anatomy. Again say लाल फूल नीला फूल एनाटॉमी ब्यूटीफुल 2 रुपए की पेप्सी anatomy sexy. So beautiful subject, the beautiful teacher, the beautiful students. Just enjoy this all the session. Okay, so elegant, so beautiful, just looking like a wow. Okay, sir, don't forget this concept. It's a beautiful notes for all of you. Okay, sir. Hope you all are enjoying the session. एक प्यारा सा concept बना बेटा, अब हम इसको कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. Okay, sir. So now we are going to look for the our next points. Yes, sir. So we are going to look for this our the branches from the third part. So I will draw the diagram also. Sir, you can remember the easy way. P-I-G, pig. Pig. Yes, you can remember P-A-S, pass. Pig pass. So your funny mnemonic is pig pass. P-A-S. You know, Pappu can't dance साला in the similar way. Okay? पप्पू जो है पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं करता और वो डांस भी नहीं कर सकता, तो एक गाना आया था पप्पू कांट डांस साला. तो बेटा इसी तरीके से ये क्या है बेटा, पिग पास. ओके, यस. जब पिग पास हुआ तो हम लोगों ने कुछ किया. एक फनी निमोनिक हम देखते हैं क्या हमने किया. सर, दीदी और मैं, DAM, you can remember दीदी और मैं. Yes, all India. Yes, all India. So what you can say, sir, दीदी और मैं all India. D for deep auricular artery, A for anterior tympanic artery, M for middle meningeal artery, A for accessory meningeal artery, I for inferior alveolar artery. दीदी और मैं all India. Yes, you can remember. में दनादन बम फोड़े. सो वन फनी निमोनिक, एक इवेंट को इमेजिन करो कि आपकी दीदी और आप मिलकर के पूरे इंडिया में दनादन बम फोड़े, दनादन बम फोड़े, दम दनादन बम फोड़े. यस, एम फॉर मेसेट्रिक आर्टरी, दनादन डीप टेम्पोरल आर्टरी, बी फॉर बक्कल आर्टरी एंड पी फॉर टेरिगॉइड आर्टरी. किस खुशी में आपने दनादन बम फोड़े? क्यों? क्योंकि पिग पास हो गया. सो दिस इज वन फनी निमोनिक. यस, यू कैन रिमेंबर दीदी और मैं ऑल इंडिया में दनादन बम फोड़े क्योंकि पिग पास हो गया. अदरवाइज यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस वन मोर निमोनिक. यस, MAID for the our first part. MAID, you can remember this one more mnemonic. I am telling you the concept as well as the mnemonics. M for middle meningeal artery, A for anterior tympanic artery, one more A, that is the accessory meningeal artery, I for inferior alveolar artery, and D for deep auricular artery. So you can take the help of this beautiful mnemonic made also. Also the our second part, what are the branches from the second part? So answer is the make dinner before party. अरे इसमें बताने की कौन सी बात है भाई, पार्टी अगर मनाना है तो डिनर तो पहले बनाना पड़ेगा ना, कि पहले पार्टी बना लोगे फिर डिनर बनाने जाओगे. यस, सो दिस इज द वन फनी अनदर निमोनिक. रिमेंबर, यस, एम फॉर mesenteric branch, yes, D for deep temporal branch, yes, B for buccal branch, and P for pterygoid branch. Getting the point? Yes. Shrikant sir, sexy love your teaching style, sir. Thank you, Dr. Prabhat. Thank you for your so lovely comments. Okay, yes, Akansha, thank you, beta, thank you. Okay, hope you all are understanding. And what are the branches from the third part? We all know, sir, third part, that is our pig pass. So the students who are from the English medium, for them we are creating the mnemonic, yes, of maxillary artery. I will draw the diagram also ना, मैं ऐसे नहीं जाने दूंगा, आप लोग को और फिर से रिवाइज करवाऊंगा. सर, these are the branches from the first part, second part, third part. First, second, थर्ड. आज पूरा याद कर लेना, फिर कभी इसको नहीं भूलेंगे. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट पार्ट, सर, इट इज गिविंग द ब्रांचेस इन इंग्लिश MAID. yes. Second part, it is giving the branches, yes, you can remember, make dinner before party. yes. Third part branches, you can say the pig pass. So these are your branches. You all know the full form. So these are the branches, your mnemonic in English. Yes, again, M for, you can say, sir, M for middle meningeal artery, A for accessory meningeal artery, also A for entry tympanic artery, I for inferior alveolar artery, D for deep auricular artery. But Hindi mnemonic is better because that is in sequence. Okay, you can remember M for, sir, mesenteric artery, sir, D for deep temporal artery, B for, sir, buccal artery, sir, P for pterygoid artery. Agree? Yes. Now we are going to see what are the different branches from our third part. Let's start. Yes, pig pass you have to remember, na? So what are the our different branches from the third part? Can you see this image, sir? This is our, yes, the foramen. So where you can see the different branches, you can observe the posterior superior alveolar artery. Break the name. Posterior, ये पीछे की तरफ है. सुपीरियर, ये ऊपर की तरफ है. पोस्टीरियर सुपीरियर. एल्वुलर, इट इज सप्लाइंग द आवर एल्वुलाई सॉकेट. एंड यस सर, दिस द आर्टरीज, पोस्टीरियर सुपीरियर एल्वुलर आर्टरी. गेटिंग द पॉइंट? एंड द नेक्स्ट इज आवर, yes, artery which is passing through the infraorbital foramen. So it is coming outside from the infraorbital foramen. So this is the infraorbital artery. And the next artery supplying the palate. Yes, greater palatine artery. So you can remember the PIG, pig. Remember beta, try to catch this point. Sir, these arteries are very important for the ENT and the facial surgery. Now you are knowing the blood supply below the orbit area. You are knowing the blood supply of the upper jaw, teeth. You are knowing the blood supply of the palate, greater palatine artery. Now the PAS. So can you see, sir, PAS. So P for our artery to the pharynx, pharyngeal artery, artery of the pterygoid canal, yes, and then S for sphenopalatine artery, which is also known as artery of the epistaxis. Getting the point? Okay, sir. So what I want to tell you, sir, these are our pig pass. Posterior superior alveolar artery, infraorbital artery, greater palatine artery, pharyngeal artery, artery of the pterygoid canal, and the sphenopalatine artery. Okay? Okay, sir. Now, can you see these are the other helpful images for all of you? Okay, you will get in our app. Now, what I want to tell you, sir, I'm going to draw the diagrammatic presentation. Okay, yes, in the next class we will see the branches of the mandibular nerve, but right now we are going to focus for the INICT marathon, the CBI 19 PYQs. Okay, so after that we will continue the same thing with our mandibular nerve na, but right now ऐसे नहीं जाने देंगे. In your proper conceptual way, what you have to do, you have to make the diagrammatic presentation also. So try to catch this point. Sir, suppose this is our what? Mandible. फर्स्ट ईयर एग्जाम में बेटा ये स्पेसिमेन होता है. तो उसके लिए हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं सर कॉन्डाइल प्रोसेस, सर कोरोनॉइड प्रोसेस, सर दिस इज अवर मैंडिबल ramus and here is the body diagrammatic presentation. Okay sir, now catch this point sir. The first part there is our artery. Which artery sir? External carotid artery sir. This is our external carotid artery. It is giving the artery. Which artery? Maxillary artery. So it is running in close relation to the mandible. So this is the our mandibular part. Okay, first part. Now you all are aware sir, there is our muscle. Which muscle? Masseter sir. There is a muscle masseter. So this masseter muscle is having the upper head and the lower head, which are getting inserted into the pterygoid fovea. Just one diagrammatic presentation. I am not drawing exact diagram, but yes, it will help you to understand. So this artery is running over the our pterygoid muscle. So this is the pterygoid part. So this is the second part. And on the front side, suppose this is our what? Pterygopalatine fissure. Yes sir, it is our pterygopalatine fissure. So this artery is finally entering within the our, yes you can say, the pterygopalatine fissure, and here it is giving the different branches. Okay, yes sir, it is giving the different branches. So what I want to tell you sir, this is the our first part. Okay, and here this is over the pterygoid muscle. So this is the pterygoid part. Okay, I am using the different highlighter color so that you can never forget this topic. Yes, now can you see this is the our third part? Yes, here is our third part. Getting the point? What you have to remember sir, the branches from the first part. Okay sir, this is the our first part. Okay, I will write later, but you can see the first part is giving the branch towards the auricle known as deep auricular artery. It will give the branch towards the our, yes, tympanic membrane. So that is known as our, yes, antitympanic artery. Deep auricular, antitympanic. It will give the artery to the our foramen spinosum, yes, as well as foramen ovale. So you will say sir, these are our middle meningeal artery and another artery I am making here sir, accessory meningeal artery. Yes, these are passing through the foramen spinosum and the oval shaped foramen ovale. So I am making the one spine of sphenoid. Fine. Okay, so the foramen which is near to the spine of sphenoid, foramen spinosum, and the foramen which is oval shaped. Okay sir, I am making more oval in shape. Okay, and another artery which is running within the our mandible. Yes, it will run within the our mandible through the our mandibular foramen. This is the lingula and this is the mandibular foramen. Sir, this mandibular foramen is continuing as the mandibular canal within our mandible, and then it is opening as the mental foramen. Yes sir, this artery will run within this mandibular foramen, this mandibular canal. Getting the point? And then it will come out as the mental artery. This is the INICT MCQ. Sir, here are our teeth. Diagrammatic presentation. Just one simple simplified diagrammatic presentation I am doing. Okay, suppose these are our teeth. So it will supply the lower teeth. Agree beta? Fine. So what I want to tell you, sir, these are branches from the first part. So you can remember what are these branches, sir? deep. With the help of the mnemonic also we will write down, sir, the deep auricular artery first, and then next is our, yes, anterior tympanic artery second, and then third is our, yes, passing through the foramen spinosum, that is the middle. I'm writing the mamma na, cute name, mamma, the middle meningeal artery. Okay, and then we are going to highlight the next artery, that is the amma. Yes, it is our accessory meningeal artery. Agree beta? Yes sir, it is our accessory meningeal artery. And the fifth branch is, yes, inferior alveolar artery. Yes, this is our inferior alveolar artery. What is the your funny mnemonic? You can remember the mnemonic, sir, dadi or didi, whatever na, didi or मैं, all India. So this is your branches of first part. Yes sir, the mnemonic is didi or मैं. Fine. Hope you will never forget this topic. Yes, revision is important. You have to revise it, but never forget this one, na? Agree, beta? Mamma, amma, yes, it is important. You can remember, sir, this foramen is nothing. This is the our foramen spinosum. Okay, I am going to mention here. Yes, it is extra age for all of you, and here you can see the foramen oval. Yes sir, this is the oval shaped foramen oval. Fine, you all know the structure passing through the foramen oval. You can remember the MALE, and the structure passing through the foramen spinosum, sir, MEN. MCQ. Okay sir, so these are the our different branches of the first part. Agree beta? Okay sir, so after this we are going to look for the our second part branches. So for the second part branches, the muscles of mastication you have to remember. So it is giving the branch to the our temporalis muscle. So deep temporal artery, before it there is a mesenteric artery. So there is our first mesenteric artery, then there are the pair of the deep temporal arteries. Okay, fine, and then there is the our branch which is supplying the pterygoid muscle. So you can remember the pterygoid branch and also the our buccal branch. Fine, so what you have to remember, so what are the branches from the second part, sir? This is our what? Yes, this is your mesenteric branch. Then you can say the deep temporal artery. Deep temporal arteries, these are having the pair, na? Sir, deep temporal arteries, these are having the pairs. So deep temporal artery and one more deep temporal artery. Okay, two deep temporal arteries. They are two in number. Okay, now try to understand. The next is, यस, दादी और मैं, दीदी और मैं, दनादन, दो है, दनादन, बम फोड़े. So you can remember the buckle, so this is the our buccal artery, and phode, so you can remember the, yes, pterygoid branch. For the muscle mastication, pterygoid muscle. Okay, so the mnemonic for it, you can remember what, sir? Branches from second part. Your funny mnemonic is all India में दना दन बम फोड़े. Yes, so this is your mnemonic. Fine, got the point? So these are the branches as well as the mnemonic. Correct, sir. Now last, the branches from the pterygopalatine part, so that is the pig pass. So just in a simple way, okay, PIGPAS. So first, I'm not showing just in the same sequence, I'm changing little bit sequence so that you can easily remember. Sir, P, it will supply to the posterior superior alveolar artery. Then I, sir, this will pass to the infraorbital foramen and it will make the our infraorbital artery. Okay, and then the S for, you can remember the PIG, G for greater palatine artery. So this is suppose your greater palatine artery. Fine. So what you can remember the branches, sir? Pig pass, and then PAS. So you will see the P for our, yes, pharyngeal branch, it will supply to the pharynges, and then there is our artery to the pterygoid canal, and then there is the our sphenopalatine artery. Okay, so just making this all in a better way, sir, little bit tilting here, so you can remember the pig pass. P, I, and then G. Sir, P, this is your I, and this is your G, pig. Okay, sir, posterior superior alveolar artery. Yes, I for, you can say the infra orbital artery. Yes, G for greater palatine artery. Okay, then PAS you have to remember. So again, P for pterygoid artery, artery of the pterygoid canal, you can say yes, pharyngeal artery. A for artery of pterygoid canal, and then S for sphenopalatine artery. Yes, sir. This particular branch which is continuing, that is your, yes, infraorbital artery. So we can mention the PAS. Sir, P A S. What you can remember, beta? Sir, this P is our, yes, pharyngeal artery. It will supply to the pharynx. Then A for artery of pterygoid canal. This is also known as the Vidian's artery. Later I will teach you. This is also known as the Vidian's artery. So later when I will teach you the detailed neuroanatomy part, then I will teach you what is the Vidian's artery, what is the Vidian's neurectomy. Okay, and as for, don't forget, it is very important, that is the our sphenopalatine artery. Sir, this sphenopalatine artery is also known as a very very important portion. This is the our artery of epistaxis. Very important MCQ. So these are the branches from the third part. Yes. Okay, and the mnemonic is what? You will never forget the pig pass. Okay, yes. So this is all about the our branches of the maxillary artery. What is the topic, sir? Agree, beta? Fine. So hope you understood the today's class. So we are ending with this beautiful diagram. This will be very useful for all of you in your INICT, NEET PG, USMLE PLAB exam, as well as definitely in the first MBBS exam. No? Fine. In next upcoming class after the INICT marathon, there will be the gap up to the 10 days. Yes, 15 days. When this INICT marathon will complete, then we will come back with our this classes. So thank you very much. At the last, these beautiful lines from our great teacher Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. सक्सेस इज नॉट परमानेंट एंड फेलियर इज नॉट फाइनल. बेटा याद रखना कि अगर आप जिंदगी के किसी भी इम्तिहान में या इस इम्तिहान में पास हो जाते हो तो क्या आपने जिंदगी की जंग जीत ली? नहीं. अगर आप जीतते हो तो फिर से अगला आपका एक नया दौर चालू होता है. बेटा जिंदगी खत्म नहीं होती, सफर खत्म नहीं होता. इन द सिमिलर वे अगर आप किसी एग्जाम में फेल हो जाते हो तो क्या ये जिंदगी का अंत है? बिल्कुल नहीं. फेलियर इज नॉट द फाइनल. बेटा आदमी या तो जीतता है या फिर सीखता है. आदमी हारता कभी नहीं है. आदमी हारता उस दिन है जिस दिन वो कोशिशें करना बंद कर देता है. इसलिए नेवर स्टॉप वर्किंग आफ्टर सक्सेस. अगर आप किसी भी एग्जाम को क्रैक कर लेते हो, आईएनआईसीटी, नीट, पीजी, आपका सिलेक्शन हो गया बेटा, बेटा याद रखना उसके बावजूद भी काम करना नहीं छोड़ना है. इन द सिमिलर वे नेवर स्टॉप ट्राइंग आफ्टर द फेलियर. अगर हम किसी एग्जाम में फेल भी हो जाते हैं तो कोशिश करना नहीं छोड़ना है. क्यों डरे जिंदगी से? क्यों डरे जिंदगी से कि क्या होगा? अरे कुछ नहीं होगा तो कम से कम तजुर्बा होगा. ऑल द बेस्ट. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. फिर से मिलेंगे. एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क. थैंक यू एवरीवन. Any doubt, please ask.